Let's get into this video. So I'm going to start out by showing y'all my braid pattern. It is just super simple. So I basically, this is my leave out right here where the clip is. And then this is the braid. It goes just like this. Kind of loops around. So it's just like that. I'm going to take the part that is left out, all this hair and the braids, and just put it in a ponytail. By the way, I just tied my braids off with like a little rubber band. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just put that into a ponytail. I'm going to secure it really tight so that it's flat. And once it's in a ponytail, don't mind my hair, it's kind of gross. I like to just braid whatever is left out. And then this part I will just fold up. And I'm going to put a bobby pin on there so it lays flat. So I'm going to use 2 bobby pins to secure it. So that's what it looks like. And then I have the hair out in the front. These are like my edges or whatever, and my leave out. I'm just gonna leave this part out so that it covers the clips or anything that might be blown by the wind. And my hair is so thin here, y'all, because I had a baby and I went through that postpartum hair loss. So yep, that was fun. Alright, so now that you know how the hair is laid down and you know where my leave out is, I'm going to show you guys what the unit looks like. This is from Eunice Hair, and I've had this wig. This is a U-part wig. I've had it for like 4 years maybe. It looks like this. Let me back up so y'all can see it. This is, I believe, 18 inches of the Brazilian wavy, and it's really gone through it. I just washed it. So the inside of this unit looks just like so. It's a U-part, so it's got 2 combs on each side of the U-part. I'm sorry, those are clips. And then it's got the combs right here. And then there's also a clip right here, right at the edge of that U-part. And in the back, you'll also have another comb. And you'll have these little stretchy bands so that you can tighten your wig. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and just comb out this unit. So let's go ahead and add these clips. And once you've got all your clips on your anchor braid, there's a little clip right back here that doesn't really attach to the anchor braid, but it just attaches to the rest of the hair so the unit doesn't pull forward. You want to make sure you clip that in. And then I'm going to take, oops, clip that back on there. Here's my other comb. I'm just going to attach that to my anchor braid, and the same thing's going to happen on the other side. And then we have this clip right here. I'm going to push that in. Make sure everything is nice and secure. I feel like this hair needs some layers, so I'm going to just make a part going straight back. And I'm going to brush it out. I should probably straighten it before I start adding layers to it, but I think it'll be all right. So I'm just gonna even out the length at the bottom. I just cut it straight across. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this side and just make sure it is even with the other side. So I've got both sides cut evenly. And then I'm going to just start in the back and start layering. I'm not a professional, so if I were you, I might or might not do what I'm doing. I want my layers to be pretty long in the back. Actually, no, let's just go for it. We're just going in. Next area, and I don't wear this unit a whole lot, so like I'm not that pressed about it, you know, coming out super even because I probably wear my unit like twice a year. Alright, so that side is done. Let's just make sure this front area is nice and cohesive. Alright, we're moving on to the next side. I'm going to start in the back. Just grab a chunk of hair. And I already told y'all I'm not a professional. I'm just doing what I think works. I've done this to units before and this is just, it works for me. Alright, so let's go in and start straightening the hair. I'm using the Infinity Pro by Conair, and this is a 1-inch tool. I'm also going to do the Chase method. You know what I forgot? I forgot my heat protectant. So we're using the Taraji P. Henson heat protectant. I'm just going to spray the whole head. Alright, we're going to take this Curacare stick and I'm going to use this on my actual hair. This is a wax stick and it just helps the hairs to lay down really well. It helps with frizz as well. It is literally a lifesaver So I'll put that on my edges and then I just go in real quick and straighten those out. It's already looking like it's growing out of my head. So I'm going to add some of the wax to that area, all over the part basically. And then my hair is already straight, so I'm not going to do like a comb and chase method on it because I don't want to do too much to it. I don't want any heat damage. And this is about how long it is on me. And since I cut those layers, I think I am going to go ahead and curl my hair. Okay, y'all, so I've curled this hair in the past, and honestly, I don't think it's ever held a curl really good. So with the layers being cut, I'm hoping at least like I'll have a little wave or something by the end of this hairstyle. But I don't think it holds curls like super great. It's okay, but they don't last all day long. Not at all. My main goal was just to like make sure I curled the front really well and hold the front up with something, because as long as the front looks decent, I think I'm good. I just want my face to be kind of framed. So I just tried something different. I should have done this throughout the hair. I'm spraying the hair first before I curl it. I remember my stylist, like back in the day, used to spray my curls or my hair before she curled it, and I felt like the curls held in a lot better. The curls held on a lot better. And I'm making sure, like, once I get to the top where my hair is, I'm really making sure that I have my hair combed into the U-part unit so that it all blends really well. All right, makeup is on, so we're gonna go ahead and take these curls down and see what they look like. I'm so nervous. Okay. It's probably like way more curly than I want it. I feel like I should be somewhere in the 70s. Like, I definitely belong in the 70s. No doubt about that. Let me make it to where y'all can see that a little bit better. So yeah, let me comb all that out. Let's get this side combed out. Oops, I left a pin in there. Ooh, that came out nicely. Wow. Let's put that behind the ear. Maybe that'll give me the look I'm going for. Yeah, that's a lot better. And then the front is just kind of like flipped out, but I kind of like it. I think that looks really good. So that's the hair. And I actually love the curls. I just hope that they last. If y'all like this makeup look, I'm actually gonna post that video somewhere around here so y'all can see how I achieve this look. And as always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Y'all are the best. Mwah. Thank y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.